just like last week, it's almost game time. Got the little, where are you? Right there, got the little one here. Truck was pretty dirty, but my parents have been driving this almost daily. Oh, that's a lie. They've been driving it a lot. And it's wintertime here in Minnesota, so the roads are of course trash and salty. Just cleaned up really nice. I am in the works. Probably not gonna do it, but never, I mean, I said that last time too, this time of year. I'm in the works of something. Hopefully nothing changes, but something might change. Stay tuned for that. I'm gonna end this one here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I know I didn't do much besides clean the truck. I wanted to give you guys something this week to check out. As always, I do appreciate watching. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Say bye, Pops.